All right. Welcome, everyone, to Statement and Question Tutorial Notes. So, to begin with, a statement. It tells about something or it gives you information about something. So, and with a statement, it has to have a subject and a predicate, and it ends with a period. Okay, point here. Okay. So here's a statement. I live in Palmdale, California. So, a subject and a predicate have to be in a statement, have to be in a sentence to make it complete. Now, subject is who or whom the sentence is about. You have to ask yourself, who or whom is this about? The subject usually comes before the verb. Verb is an action word. So who or whom usually comes before the verb. So in this example, I live in Palmdale. The subject, who or whom is it about? It's I. I is the subject. The verb, the action, is live. So the subject always has to come before the verb. So I is your subject. That is who or whom we are talking about. Okay, a predicate. So subject is who or whom you are talking about. The predicate is basically where the verb begins. It's where the verb begins and everything that comes after it. So it tells you what the subject does. So who or whom, what they're doing. So we have here, I is the subject, remember, live in Palmdale, California. So live is the verb. So live in Palmdale, California would be the complete predicate because I is the subject. So everything that comes after it is the predicate. Okay? Subject is who or whom it's about. Predicate, it tells you what they're doing, what he or she or the subject is doing. Okay? Now, along with a statement, so a statement just tells you information. Okay, it gives you a statement, gives you information. That's it with a period. A question is asking about something. Okay, and in this, instead of it being subject verb, the verb comes first, then the subject. Okay, and it will end in a question mark. So here's the example. Who is your algebra teacher? Okay, who is your algebra teacher? So subject is who, okay? Who is the subject? Predicate, okay, is your algebra teacher, okay? So the question is, again, who, predicate, algebra teacher, okay? So let's look here. So when you ask a question, the verb always has to come first, okay? So also, looking here, you will see in your assignments, they're going to give you a question like so. I am a student at Palmdale High School. So, is this a statement or a question? Very simple. Here's the subject. Here's the rest of the predicate, but there's no question mark at the end. Is it telling us information? Yes. So it will be a statement. Next one. Is Claudia your sister? Question mark. Well, the fact that it's a question mark, that's going to tell me it's a question. But also look, here's the verb, here's the subject. Is Claudia. So is Claudia. Right there. Okay. That is how we know it's a question. California is the name of a state. So is it asking a question? No, here's the subject, California, because that's who or whom we're talking about. Verb is, so is the name of a state. That is what it's telling us about the subject. So it is a correct statement. Okay, so all these, and it's going to take more practice. Very common questions are the 5 W's and 1 H. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. So with all these, you will see that it's very common, and asking a question versus a statement. You can always tell which is a statement and which is a question, because a question is just inquiring. It's asking you about something, versus a statement which tells us information. So I hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.